Good morning, students. Today in the topic of quadratic equation, I'm going to take a new topic, and the topic is here: solving quadratic equations by completing the square. This is a new method which we have not done in class 9, and I'm going to explain this method with the help of a suitable example. Let us take the first question. Solve equation x square minus 10x minus 2 equal to 0 by the method of completing the square. Now in this question, if you look at here, this is the question given here: x square minus 10x minus 2 equal to 0. The first term is a complete square. It is the square of x. So look at the step here. What I have done here, I have written x square minus 10x, and the constant term minus 2 has been taken to the right hand side. Now after this, the second step, this is a very important step. This is x square. I have taken a as x. Now if I go for the formula a square minus 2ab plus b square, then the middle term should be in the format of 2ab, and this is how I have written 10x. This is 10x, can be written as 2 into x into 5, and on the basis of this I can say that b is 5. So I have got a as x, b as 5, and then what I have done, I have added 5 square, that is b square, in the left hand side as well as in the right hand side. The benefit of this is that this whole term comes in the category of a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now this implies x minus 5 whole square is equal to 27, which if we move forward, if we are going to take up the square root of this, then we are going to see that x minus 5 is coming to be plus minus 3 root 3. We have to take both the sign plus and minus, because in quadratic equations the degree of x is 2. It should have two values of x. Now here we are going to divide the question into two cases. Case number 1, when I have taken x minus 5 is equal to 3 root 3, which implies x is coming to be 5 plus 3 root 3. In case number 2, I have taken x minus 5 is equal to minus 3 root 3, which is going to give me the answer as x is equal to 5 minus 3 root 3. So this is the first example of completing square, and the most important step is this step. I have to make the LHS in the format of a square minus 2ab plus b square, and on the basis of that my a is coming to be x and b was coming to be as 5. I explained this topic by one more example, so I am taking one more question there. Solve the equation 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0 by the method of completing the square. Now here, first we will write down the question in this format. Now if you look at the first term here, it is not a complete square. So what we are going to do, we will multiply the whole term by 3. This is what I have written here, multiplying each term by 3, and I got 9x square minus 15x plus 6 equal to 0. Then what I am going to do, I am going to take the constant term from the LHS to the RHS, which becomes 9x square minus 15x minus 6. Now after this, if we look at the first term, this is 3x square. It is a complete square. The middle term should be in the terms of 2ab. Now I have to express 15 in the format of 2ab, and this is the most important step. I have written 2, this is my 3x, that is a, and this is the b, which I have taken as 5 by 2, so that when I multiply it, I get the answer as 15x. So this is the thing which I have done here. It is 2a and b. So my a is 3x, b is 5 by 2. Now I have split the term 15 in this format, and on the basis of this I got the value of b as 5 by 2. So the last term should be b square. So I have written 5 by 2 whole square. In the LHS also I have added, in the RHS also I have added, because this term was not present here. And why we are doing it? So that it comes in the pattern of a square minus 2ab plus b square. And here my a is coming to be 3x and b is coming to be 5 by 2. So this is my b square. I have added in the LHS also, in the RHS also. Moving forward, we are going to get 3x minus 5 by 2 whole square equal to minus 6 plus 25 by 4, which further solving 3x minus 5 by 2 whole square equal to 1 by 4, which I can write in this format. 3x minus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to 1 by 2 whole square. After this, we will take the square root on both the sides and we will get the term like this. And this is 3x minus 5 by 2 plus minus 1 by 2. Why we are taking plus minus? Because it's a quadratic equation and we have to take up both the values, plus as well as minus. Now from here, the question has been divided into two parts. Case number 1, when 3x minus 5 by 2 equal to 1 by 2, which is going to give us 3x is equal to 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2, which on further solving is going to give us 3x is equal to 3, and ultimately we got the value of x as 1. So this is the case number 1. Case number 2 is 3x minus 5 by 2 equal to minus 1 by 2. I have taken the negative value here, which implies 3x is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2, which further implies 3x is equal to 2, and ultimately I got the value of x 2 by 3. So I have got two values of x because a quadratic equation should have two values of x. The most important step in this method is here and the first one. If you look at the question here, it was 3x square, which is not a complete square. So what I have done, I multiplied all the terms by 3 so that the first term becomes a complete square, that is 3x square. Then I have to write down the middle term in the format of 2ab such that I get 15 here, and that is what I have used a calculation here. I have taken the value of b as 5 by 2 and then I have met the whole step in the format of a minus 2ab plus b square. So in this method, we have to concentrate on the thing that either we have to express the middle term here in the format of a square minus 2ab plus b square, or maybe we get a question in the format of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is the way we have to solve the question by the method of completing a square. I hope you have understood the method. In the next video, I am going to explain some more things regarding to the topic of quadratic equations. So thank you and have a nice day.